Hello friends, let's do an exponential question today. The question is square root of 4 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5. So we have exactly 4 terms. So what we are going to do? Just take out 4 to the power 5 common. So you are left with 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Further, you will get 4 to the power 5 into add these 4 ones, you will get 4 here. As you know, there is a sign of multiplication between two same numbers, so we just add up their powers. We get 4 to the power 6. Now, removing the root, put the power of 1 over 2. So, this 2, this 3 get cancelled. So, you get 4 to the power 3. This is equals to 4 into 4 into 4, and that makes 64. So, the correct option is option D.